you're doing good. Okay, today let's just make this simple breakfast. I know you probably have a way of making yours, but it will be nice to just watch and see how I made mine. Yeah, so this is frittata, and I'm just going to do a switch here. That's why I said you should watch. Yeah, that's pork meat. I don't think you have ever used pork meat in yours, and if you have not, maybe this is the right time to try it out, because believe me, it was so yummy delicious. Like when you mix pork meat with egg, you know that meat is very soft. That meat is a very soft meat. Go and try it. You see, as it is. Just look at the way it's just adding beauty to this thing. Then you imagine how delicious it felt in my mouth. So go and try it. Okay, so I hope you know that this is the fillings that we are preparing here. Of course, you should know. And this filling is I'm already feeling the fillings. Yeah, it's making sense. So I had my pepper cut in stripes. You can do dice. You can just do it anyhow you feel that. You go like them. And your eyes will feel okay. Just do it, okay? The most important thing is to have these flavors and these colors so that your frittata will come out looking very bonbonliscous. And what did she just say? Okay, just take it like that. So now this is the time to just prepare your egg, and I just added little salt and some little seasoning. I just divided 1 cube of Maggi into 2 actually. If you're a Maggi type, you can make use of a whole cube, okay? So I shall poured everything in, and yeah, just what you saw me did. And it is time to bake this. So we're using 2 methods here. First method is the pan gas baked method, and the other one would be toast method. I'm just going to use the toast, I be the toaster. What is she even saying? Which one is toast again? Okay, so this is done, and I place it on the gas over the flame to just, cake itself. They make it just there, the cook itself. So I come over here to turn the remaining one into my toaster, and I'm just going to cover it and allow it to, let's just see what this thing turns out at the end of the day. But tell me, what are you thinking actually? Are you already imagining what is she even doing? Well, let's just see. The time have reached. You see she's looking beautiful. I think she's even finer than the other Odogwu in the other, and the one over the gas. She's really, really, so fine. Are you going to try this? Okay, come over here to check out this other madam, and he's doing well. I think it's even okay. So, because I don't want to cut this thing inside my beautiful Odogwu frying pan, make it not just go scratch my frying pan. So now I make a turn on like this. You can actually cut yours if you have a plastic knife or spoons and whatever. If not, just improvise the way I did, okay? So we are good to go, and I'm just trying to cut out the portion for my breakfast this morning, because why not if not? Person we work, eat a chop. So other than that, I'm also cutting from the other one that I toasted. So I'm going to be like, say, bread. I won't show you the back. It can't be like bread. Yeah, so you can actually cut it using that line, that veiled line, and it's gonna look beautiful. Okay, so see my what do I even call this now? Is she not looking beautiful? Is this a double breakfast madam not looking beautiful? Is a madam and Odogwu put together, okay? One is madam, the other one is Odogwu. Okay, so at least the thickness can even tell you. And so I decided to just add a little rice. Yeah, let's just incorporate some carbohydrate inside so that we are sure that, you see, in this breakfast, everything is complete. Protein, carbohydrate, vegetables, minerals, everything there. I go still add tea so that the minerals can actually step up. You see, now when I don't even finish eating the thing as eating the sweet, me now remember to go make tea. But I shall say, make a still show and I say you can actually also enjoy it with your tea, with your coffee, with your anything. And yes, guys, this is beautiful. Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section. Please like, comment, and share. Bye bye.